Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I'm gonna do a money bowl. I do different kind of money bowls, but today I'm just gonna do, just like a basic money bowl that can get you started and will get me started for the rest of the month. So what I like to do, let me see. I got my rice. Gotta find my salt. I don't know what I did with my salt. Okay, so what I like to do is first you're going to cleanse it. Decide how you're going to cleanse it. You can use your sage. You can use Palo Santo. You can use a cinnamon stick. You can use water. You can use salt. You can use your hands and energy, under the moon, whatever way you want to do it. It's yours, whatever way you feel comfortable with. And one of the first things I do is I cleanse with, we're going to do this. I swear I brought, yeah. And I'm going to light, Dave took my lighter, so I'm going to light some sage. I go through sage like crazy. But I also like Palo Santo. Depends. Okay. Put that there. We're going to do that. So I'm just going to let the smoke cleanse everything. Now here's the thing. Everybody does stuff differently. I am old, was taught years and years and years ago, and I do it a certain way. Maybe you don't. You can also hold it in your hand and transfer your energy in there to cleanse it. And I'll tell you everything I put in there. And I'm just real quick, you know. Just gonna cleanse it. Also, I put some good luck things in there, so I'll tell you as I do it. I'm going to cleanse my green candle that I'm going to use. Cleanse my rice. And my cinnamon. And once everything's in there, I'll probably cleanse everything again. I don't know. We'll see. But that is that. So I'm going to set this here and let that smoke. So here's what I like to do. I like to take my rice. I like to hold it in my hand. And then I'll pour it in. And I'm going to tell you, I got this bowl at the thrift store years ago, and I loved it. And then Emily used it. She didn't want it anymore, and I took it over, and I use it all the time, and I really love putting my energy into it by, Now, I have salt somewhere, and I don't know where. Of course, there's my cinnamon I was looking for. Here it is. Okay. Alright. So now, I'm going to have to relight my, because I want to cleanse that too, I'm sorry, my hands don't work, so. things get hard. Poor me. Okay, there we go. As I pour, I'm just going to do this around just a little bit for protection. Okay, so we'll leave it like that. Okay, now, so I put in my rice, just regular rice. Get it at the Dollar Tree. Salt, my basil, which is for bringing abundance, and some cinnamon. These are my books. Just wanted to make sure. Yeah, okay. And then I got some citrine, pyrite, quartz. I have my 4-leaf clover that's in glass. Gonna put some change around money. Now this is, my dog ate my dollar a long time ago, but I use it in here for money. So I usually stick it like that. And then of course a lottery ticket. It's an old lottery ticket, but I use it, you know, just in case. God, these hands today just do not want to work. Come on now. Okay. And I'll just, yeah. Okay. And then I have my son, who passed away, as many of you know, his lighter. So I like putting that for good luck. I have some snake skin, which is fantastic to use for many things. But today we're going to use it for that. I have my soulmate, my dog, his tooth. He passed on quite a few years ago, but I saved his tooth. And then just stick it like that. And I think. There goes my dogs being jerks now. Okay, so I put in my green candle. And what I'm going to do is on my bay leaf, I'm going to write. You don't have to do this. I like doing it. Let's see if I can get this to write. I like to write, like, you can write out an amount. I'm just going to put wealth. You can put amount on here. I'm going to put $20,000. Hey, anything I get is great, but if I'm gonna go for it, why not go for it? And I will burn that, but so there we go. So we got that. So now I'm going to light my candle, and I like to say prosperity flows to me easily, constantly, and abundantly. Wealth flows from all directions, so mote it be. So prosperity flows to me easily, constantly, and abundantly. Okay. Wealth flows from all directions, so mote it be. And this is what I got. And this is my money bowl today. And what I will do is I will let my candle, I do this different ways. You can let your candle burn all the way down, which is great. Sometimes, and it doesn't affect me, because remember, this is like your energy you're putting out. You know when you see people and they say, Um, you know, if you're positive, positive comes to you. If you're negative, negative comes to you. This is positive. You're putting your positivity into this. You're putting your trust into this. You're putting it out into the universe. You are trusting. When you look at this and when you do this, you say, I am rich. I am abundant. You want to speak as if you already have it, not that you want it. And that's a big, big thing I don't think people remember. And like I said, you're going to find a million different money bowls done a million different ways. And what I say is find what works for you. Maybe you have a old coffee cup and you have some rice and cinnamon and you have a candle. Now your candle can be white. You know, you can always replace whatever candle color they say to use. You can always replace that with white. So, you know, you don't have to necessarily have green. I am going to be making candles. I've made a few. I've made them half the size of this one. So for people, because it isn't the bigger the candle it burns, but and the better, you know what I mean? So I've made smaller ones because I know a lot of people don't have the patience to sit here and let this burn, or you know what I mean? So I'll move mine, it'll burn, it'll be behind me. Never ever leave it unattended. And in a month, I can take everything out. I throw away the rice, you know, and the cinnamon and the basil. Take my things out, cleanse it, everything again, and then rebuild. And maybe by then, maybe you have a lucky locket. Maybe you have some pet hair. You know, I'm a big pet person, big dog person. Maybe you have some dog hair that you have saved, or cat hair that you've saved, that you want to just bundle up a little bit. Good luck in there, like I have a tooth. Maybe you find a butterfly outside that's passed, or a lady, like something that, you know, like for you represents some sort of luck. There's so many different things. You know, we all have, like I said, I have my son's lighter. Sometimes my son was obsessed with these, and sometimes I will add that in as well, just to bring his energy around, just to help with my spell. And you know, this is it. So what I'm going to do next is I wrote wealth. I wrote 20,000, and I'm going to burn this. Look at that. And don't forget to put your change in. You know, if you have, which I have to get it out. Just want to burn this. If you have a 50 or a dollar, silver dollar, that would be great to put in here too. All right, I'm just going to let that go, or I'm going to burn my fingers. And that's it. And this is your money spell. Start small. What's it hurt? You know, people will say, oh, you're ridiculous, you're a witch. Oh, this stuff doesn't work. Da, 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 da. It works. And I think that the more your energy you put in there, and the more, you know, magic you bring, positivity, all that kind of thing, really can help you. So what's it hurt? Put some rice and cinnamon in a bowl with a candle and a couple coins, you know? So yeah, so this is the little money bowl. And if you guys want more little witchy things that I do, I have my books where I write all my spells that I do. And I can share like little things with you that you can do at home that, you know, can bring you good luck, can bring you your wish, can bring you some magic. Let me know down below. I also rhyme. Aren't you lucky? As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Thanks for watching, guys. Share me all around. And any questions, of course, always ask me down below. Bye, guys.